Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, what do I have here? A box that I waited just about a month for. For any of you that watched my live stream, I'd been complaining about an order I'd placed with one of the online bullion dealers that was shipped on December 7th through USPS, but was never updated on the tracking. So I was concerned about it. I did send, it was actually Monument Metals, sent them an email. They responded pretty quickly. I probably sent them the email a few days before Christmas, and they said, hey, USPS is backed up, as we all knew, and they actually included a couple of pictures of what some of the warehouses look like, and just asked me to hang in there and said the shipment was guaranteed, and if for some reason I never got it, they'd back it up and send me some more. So I figured I'd reach out to them anyway and just see what they had to say. But it did eventually come. Never got updated on the tracking until it was delivered. But I was pretty excited about ordering these because from what I've seen on other YouTube unboxings, they're pretty cool. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let me go ahead and cut it down here, cut it down here, open this up. Got the nice wrapping there. Alright, so for this one I might need the scissors, but why don't we, let's just cut across it with some scissors. Maybe the easiest way to do it. I often wondered how USPS feels about all their envelopes being used as packing material. I mean, it's good that the services use them, but I don't know if I'd be happy about all the waste that goes with the packing. But anyway, just my thought. Let's see what we have in here. Alright, cool. Let's take a look at these. Let me zoom in a little bit. Get some bright lights on these flips. Let me go ahead and take one out of the flip. Alright, so here we go. This is the 2021 Britannia with the cool new security features. Those waves back there in the background. And it's got some real fine detail here. Let me just set it down and see if I can zoom in on it without me handling it and see if this looks any better. These got little flakes on my background from doing some Christmas cards. Should have never done it for the Christmas call. Some metallic flakes. Alright. So down here is a really cool security feature. You can see the Trident right now. But if you move it a certain way, it's supposed to turn into a padlock. There's a padlock, you see it? So it goes from Trident, which you can really see right there, to the padlock. So what an awesome feature, huh? And look up underneath the word Britannia. See that small little text stamped in there? And I looked that up. Somebody told me what that meant. I don't remember it this time. But yeah, another security feature is that small little text around the ring. And down here, the shield as well. See how the shield has the banding going through it in different directions? Very hard to duplicate for a copy as well. So what a nice piece of silver, huh? The Trident. Let's see, padlock, Trident. What a great idea. I wish the US Mint would do cool stuff like this. Because American Silver Eagle, it's one of those coins that are, copied quite a bit, I think, and it'd be nice if they had some really cool security features, which they're supposed to this year. They haven't said what. There's the queen on this side, and then all the bumps in the background are another security feature. Very difficult to duplicate. £2, so it is a coin. And yeah, let me back out just a little bit here. And what do you think, huh? Is this cool or what? Very, very nice. The background now kind of changes the ripples. Alright, so got one of them. Got another one here. Put the Queen's face on this one. Got another one. Got another one. The light is really glaring off those, isn't it? And then we have another one. So picked up 5 of them. Pretty cool, huh? Very awesome. Anyway, so that's it. Just wanted to show off the brand new Britannias, the 2021s, and let you know that although it took almost a month, I did get them. Wasn't Monument Metal's fault, that's for sure. They were stuck with USPS, stuck in a warehouse somewhere, I'm sure. And was able to finally get them. So another 5 ounces added to the stack. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.